everyone, welcome to You Better You Bet.
That was my son welcoming all you YouTubers. This is Romeo. Romeo is our male. Ooh, what was that? A yawn? I don't know what that was. I've never seen him do that before. Anyways, Romeo is our male delta tail betta fish. He was resting there on his leaf. Not his leaf, his plant. And now he's swimming here. He was the latest addition of our betta fish family until today. My son and I went to Petco. We ended up purchasing a rose petal and a butterfly. We will be introducing them in one of our videos. I think Romeo here is a really pretty fish. Anyways, yep, this is Romeo. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye now.